Hello again and welcome to my kitchen. It's Gumpa John, the Grandpa's chef. Last time I showed you how to make spaghetti bolognese. This time I'm going a step further to make lasagna, a delicious, easy dish to make, and these are the ingredients. 400 grams of the bolognese sauce we made last time, 300 ml of milk, 30 grams of butter, 30 grams of flour, half an onion studded with 10 cloves, a bay leaf, a quarter teaspoon of mace and 8 whole peppercorns. So put the onion in the saucepan, put the saucepan on a medium heat, then you add the milk, the peppercorns, the mace and the bay leaf. Now you leave that to come to the boil very gently. So once the butter is nicely melted on a fairly high heat, I throw in the flour and whisk quickly. Now this particular pan gets very hot, so what you want is a nice slightly sort of browned thick mixture. And now I can start putting in the milk, the strained milk. So I've taken out all the bay leaf and the onion and so on. This starts to thicken up now. It takes a couple of goes, as you see it's starting to thicken now. And once this is thick, the sauce is ready to use. For the next stage, you'll need the following: 4 sheets of dried pasta, some sliced tomato, some Parmesan cheese, and some mozzarella cheese. So having made the bechamel, this is how you assemble the dish. You've got your bolognese sauce here, your bechamel sauce, your pasta sheets, and I like to add tomatoes, which I'll explain in a minute. So you layer this up. Essentially start off with a dollop of the bechamel. In goes one of the lasagna sheets. Next, the bowl sauce. A bit more of the bechamel. And lots of lovely mozzarella cheese. You can buy this either in sheets or balls, or here I'm using grated. So again, another sheet of pasta, another dollop of bechamel sauce, another nice big dollop of bolognese sauce, some more mozzarella, lots of it, another sheet of lasagna. Just squeeze one more, I think, layer of meat in there. I'll put it all in. Yep, there we go. A bit more bechamel. Another sheet of lasagna. And now I'm going to put what's left of the bechamel on. Spread it around because it's all going to drip over the sides in this particular dish here. A lot more mozzarella. I like to put tomatoes here now on top, and they roast a bit in the oven. There we go. It looks nice there. And finally, some grated Parmesan. And you can put more Parmesan on after you've cooked this if you want to. I know it's a very cheesy dish, but it's really, really lovely. Okay, that's now ready for the oven. Lasagna. Takes about 35 minutes at 180 degrees in an ordinary oven. Again, you could use your air fryer. It'll cook a bit quicker, probably 20 minutes in a hot air fryer. Let's see. The lasagna in a conventional oven this time, I think. I would put a little bit of olive oil on the top just to help those tomatoes cook. And I'll put some extra virgin at the end after I've cooked it. So in the oven, 180 degrees for 35 minutes. So 35 minutes is up. Let's see how it's doing. Oh, looks rather nice. I'm rather pleased with that. So just a little bit more Parmesan on top. Oh, wonderful. And as I said, finally, a few drops of extra virgin olive oil. And there you have it. And if you've enjoyed my video, please press the like button. Thank you.